Okay, so I'm out here today with Matt, Isaac and Tyler. Just fucking around. Tyler's on a trials bike, Matt's on the DT, Isaac's on his usual, and so am I. First crash of the day. Go on, I got the camera. Go on, I want to see the crash. This bush is going to hurt like a little bit. That wasn't too bad actually. Right, so I'm taking them down that really boggy sort of track slash footpath. Might help if I was in gear. I think this is the right way anyway, I'm not too sure. And there's people with a dog. Oh, that was intense. Oh. Right. It doesn't actually look that bad today. Yeah, you got loads of clearance. You got about 2 inches. Go on. No, I want to get you on film if you come off. Go on. No, I want to get you on film if you come off. Include some other clips a bit later on. I'm going back up top to meet Isaac now. That was quite a decent ride. What's the problem?
You're not allowed to motorcycle over the moor.
We work for James.
Who's James?
James Belifo.
Oh, that's all right then.
The farmer that owns all the sheep and the livestock.
The one that goes past us on doing wheelies.
I can't wheelie.
It's not you then. We have got one number over there.
My mate does have exactly the same bike, so...
Fair enough, we see. He's told us to let us know who does it, so...
Alright.
Let them sort it out. Right, well, everyone else has gone in. I'm gonna call that a video. Super stoked for the bike Friday. Hope it all turns out to be as good as it looks and that he's promised it is. I will make a video as soon as I do get it, like go out for a ride or something. This will probably be the last chance to comment what you reckon it is, as it's not long now and I don't know whether I'll get a chance to make a video in between. Would hope so, but not sure. So yeah, leave a comment what you think. Leave a like if you like the sort of video. So yeah, until next video, subscribe if you want more videos like these, and thanks for watching.